Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we are going to learn another section from Unit 1, that is Danish New Watch. So, my dear student, in this chapter we are going to learn about the importance of punctual. So, my dear student, if you want to get respect, if you want to be a successful person in your life, so you must be punctual. So, my dear student, it is a story of Danish who was so much lazy boy and that who has so much impunctuality in each and every aspect of life. Even his teachers, father, and his class fellows were so much irritated from his impunctuality. So one day, Danish fathers gave him a watch in order to be punctual, and also told him that tomorrow your grandmother is coming from village, so we have to be going to station in order to pick her. So, my dear student, Danish set alarm, and each and every action of his was on time. Even each and every person was so much astonished to see him that he was on time. Even his teacher asked him how he was so much punctual. So he wanted to show the watch to his teacher, which was blue in color. When he lifted up his wrist in the air, he saw that the watch was lost. He wanted to search the watch, but he is going too late, so he ran towards home. When he runs towards home, he saw a roasted corn, so he bought a handful of roasted corn and ate it. So he want to get energy and he want to run as fast as he can. Does he also see French fries, and he also bought a box of French fries and ate it. After he is nearer at home, he saw some falsa and buy it and eat it. When he reached at home, he swung at the door, and when he was swinging at the door, his strap of the bag was broken down or tear down. When he is going to trying to attach the strap from his bag, the watch came out from his bag into his lap, and he saw the time he was already late. The Danish was so much upset because he was late. He started to weeping or tearing down when one of the cars screeched in front of him, and his mother came out of car. His mother hugged him and told him that they thought that you are my dearest son, already being late, so we go on the time, and when we went to your school, that we had to take you. We come to know that you have been go for home. So in this context, Danish stopped to weeping, and his grandmother gave him a hug, and this is all about the story of Danish. Okay, my dear student, the moral of the lesson from we get from this lesson is that we should be punctual, and we should uh, be on time on each and everything, because it leads us to success. Thank you for listening. Hope this lesson will prove beneficial for you.